troubleshooting leaks from the back of a front-load washer. Leaking issues with front-load washers can often be resolved without a technician once you discover the source of the leak. If you're seeing leaking coming from the back of the washer, here are some troubleshooting steps to take. The first thing you should do is inspect the inlet hoses. Before you begin, unplug the machine and turn the water off at the home valves. Inspect inlet hoses. Leaks from inlet hoses are mainly caused by loose, misthreaded, or slightly damaged hoses or worn or damaged rubber washers in the connections. Inspect both ends of the inlet hoses, where they connect to the home valve and the washing machine. Check if there is any wetness at the connections. If either or both are wet, remove the inlet hose and check if the rubber washer at the end of the hose is worn or damaged. Also check if the inlet hoses are kinked, punctured, or have visible traces of leaks around them. Replace the rubber washers and/or the inlet hoses if necessary. If the washers and the hoses look good, you'll need to check the inlet filters in the inlet valves at the back of the machine. Check inlet filters. Remove the inlet filters from the inlet valves using a pair of needle nose pliers or a similar tool. Wash the filters thoroughly in warm water until all signs of buildup are gone. Reinsert the inlet filters and reattach the inlet hoses, being careful to thread them correctly. Turn the home valves back on and check for leaks again. If the leak continues, replace the hose in question. If at this point you still have not found the source of the leak, you need to check the safety air vent. Check safety air vent. The safety air vent is located on the back of the machine. It looks like a window or a plus sign. Check the vent and the back of the machine for any residue looking like soap scum. Leakage through the safety air vent is usually attributed to using too much detergent. Unlike older washers, new models of washers are built to use a small quantity of water and detergent. Always be sure to use HE or high-efficiency detergent as directed. Your machine may only require as little as 1 to 2 tablespoons per cycle. And if you must use fabric softener, dilute it with water in a 50-50 ratio and use it sparingly. To prevent future leaks, run the tub clean cycle at least once per month with a commercial tub cleaner to remove any soap buildup. Follow the directions on the tub cleaner package. If these troubleshooting steps have not resolved the leak, please contact LG to schedule service. Learn more at lg.com. In the search bar, enter leaking front-load washer.